owakuriremo kuteza akaruru ka NRM ahabwa abanyishengero mu district ya Hoima Joseph Kutegeka akakwatwa bwa nyuma yo gwire buce habarukireho kunyura mu guha hagati y'ababire besimbere ahabwa ishaza rya Bugashya Amran Tumusime hamwe na mugenzi we Pius wa kabi ahabwo kubarangira bona nkabasinguze ogwatwira har rumanda kusiyobwa bar kumutunganira bahire yo kushabo bwema owa chief magistrate wa koti ya Hoima.
We are very grateful with the wise decision that this court has made, and bail has been granted to all the three accused who were part of the electoral process of the NRM primaries. Although the terms that have been granted to them have been fairly stringent, for example, they're not supposed to leave the jurisdiction of Uganda without the express written permission of the court. They're not supposed to associate with colleagues they have worked with, lest it is interpreted as interference with investigations.
Omuramuzi George Kunihira abahiro bwe mubwe burumwe mara kumutaho mutemo gwa miliyoni 5 ezitarizo kushashuraho Kutegeka bamaragire gumana yanjura hakoto burwa katano hamwe no butaganira nabo bona abo yakozire nabo mu karuru.
Bail is a constitutional right, and the accused persons or the applicants have the right to apply for bail. I further take note that all the accused persons or applicants are presumed innocent until proven guilty.
Omushango gugonjizibwe yo kusiye 2017 by'okwezi kwa mwenda omwaka ogwo.
Accused persons or the persons you excluded for. And each of you will be made to pay 5 million shillings.
Ahizo bari okutera karuru Kutegeka kabanza kurangira Amran Tumusime nko musinguzi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 1339 arukora turwa Pius wa kabi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 1380 bitu bwa nyuma akagaruka yarangira Pius wa kabi nko musinguzi n'obururo mutwaro gumwe 1512 amakoraga gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.